All right, so what we have is a mess. I brought my containers that fit back here. I got a lot of space back here. This thing keeps falling down. I don't know why, so I got to redo that. And we're going to take it all apart. Yay! We're going to add some interior space by bringing back these cabinets. Should be a lot of fun. And I'm mostly out of the sun. Thank God for that. All right, let's begin to tear it apart. First thing, everything comes out of the van, including my butterfly wings and my flag. So let's dump it out. All right, this is cleared out. This is all getting rotated all at once. I figure it'll take about 3 to 4 hours. Next, we clear that out. Next, the inside of the van, and whoop, 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 we got it going on. All right, we are almost there. Put some beads in there. Yeah, I do carry a lot of beads, but the beads will be evenly put throughout the van, so it'll be nice and a steady ride. After I get the beads out, then it's time for a little cleanup. All right, so everything is out of the van. Next, it's time to clean it up. All right, so everything is out of the van. Next, it's time to clean it up. All right, we have that prepped. We have this prepped. Next, I gotta, oh my gosh, it's a disaster, but I brought back a bunch of stuff. So I'm just putting everything over to the side and time to clean it out. All right, phase 1 is done. Everything that's pulled out is pulled out. There's nothing in here, right? No, nothing in there. Good. All right, next I push things back and see how it looks in here. All right, I cannot get this back any further. I'm missing about 4 inches. I did get this to pull back about 4 inches, and I got this to pull back a long way. Why can't I get it to pull back? Because this is here, but you know what? I can use this to attach my cabinet, so that'll work out pretty good. That'll make this whole row a lot more stabler. So yay, problem solved. Let me show you one of the things I'm disappointed in. Look at this. This is a door handle. Plastic. If my life depended on it, that would come right out. Toyota, that's a disappointment. But I do have, down here, I have these all around, so I'll also secure them to these. All right, so I thought I'd shoot this real quick. I'm getting this in the window, and what it is I have one piece of Gorilla Tape, and this is the sticky side, and what I'm going to do is attach the second piece of Gorilla Tape, wrap it around so the 2 sticky sides will bond, so it'll bond to that one. All right, I'm going to tape it and show you what I mean. So see, I'm bonding it to the other glue side, and the 2 will make a really, really nice glue and stick together. So if you're having problems with things like this staying up, that double bonding glue will certainly help. Just remember, the window doesn't have to look pretty. It just has to be functional, and when I move my cabinet and put it against it, it'll hold it up even better. All right, I've added a lot more space. This isn't going to go back as far as I hope, but that's okay. It's pretty flush on the floor. It's having a little problem with the top. I might have to knock off the top. I don't want to. Spoken like a true child, huh? We'll see.